Where to find the color filter settings on your Samsung S23, 23 Plus, or the S23 Ultra. This feature is only available for flagship Samsung phones. It's Android 14 and One UI 6.0. Let's get started. The fastest way to these settings is by pulling down the quick panel access and tapping on the settings icon right here. Once you're in this section here, use the search bar here and type in the words color filter. You're going to go ahead and type this in, and it's going to show you this right here. You'll tap on it, that'll take you to it. And as you enter here, this is where you can find the color filter. And basically what it does as you turn it on, it has these options here. It's going to give you that sort of different tint on your screen, which I'm not really sure what it's for, to be honest with you. But if you've been looking for it, that's where you would go to find it. And if you want to turn it off, that's where you would go to find it. Also, be sure your shortcut is enabled for fast access. You can select either one of these to quickly access it, or also disable it just in case you don't want it to accidentally turn on. And that is that, my friends. Like and sub.